Okay, hey guys. I spent like I don't know 2 hours or something on making the actual custom state for Codename engine because this will be the 11th tutorial, I think. So yeah, 11th tutorial, how to actually make a custom state. Well, we'll need a little bit of coding knowledge, hacks knowledge, obviously, to actually make it. Which we could probably do that on your own or something because I still don't know it myself, so I'm just doing it. So I got my script here. I'll show it off in full in a little bit. But here's what it looks like. Here's what the oh, here's what it looks like. Don't mind him. Don't mind speed. But yeah, it's going up and down. It's got I kind of took from what was it I kind of took from what's it blah 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 blah. I kind of took from astronomical gaming's thing. Which shout outs to him, by the way. I probably wouldn't know to do this shit. This right here. I could have figured it out on my own, but whatever. We got this. We got this. It's Sigma. Yeah, you press enter on it, and it goes to it, and it goes to that state. Very very awesome. There's the song. Oh, oops. There's options, and there's the credits too. Yeah. So so now let's go over the actual code on how this actually works. So what I have here is I'm importing these four things. You're going to need to import these four, or else some things in here won't work. I don't know which ones, but some things won't work. You'll need an array of your paths to your images. For example, mine's in menus, main menu, and testing purposes, and it's called story mode. I did this so that I can, don't have to type out the whole thing. Just have to type out this tiny little text here. It's kind of small, but whatever. Anyways, yeah, you just put the paths of your images right here, separated by commas, obviously, and within quotes, double or not, and at least four. You can add as much as you want, obviously, but that would mean more things to do. So now we have this current index here, which keeps track of what you're selecting. And this variable, I have it so that it can go up and down smoothly. This is the background sprite I have. Make sure that the background sprite is added before everything else. And I have it at 0 so that I could tween the alpha, just to center it, and then this is the scaling of it, and this function create. This is what makes the mouse appear. It doesn't by default. Then we have the X and Y of the foreground, but also I did the screen center just in case. Load graphic. This is for the first image, but you can put it as whatever if you want to. So then, and then I have this update elapsed float inside to make this smooth, to make this happen, or just goes up and down smoothly. And this is like how much it goes up and down, this amplitude here. And I don't really know what controls where it goes, but I think it just like, it just does its thing. But yeah, let's see. So this checks if you press tab. This checks if you press tab. AKA the switch mod button. And this checks if you press 7, which is the editor stuff. This checks if you press enter, escape. which goes back to the title screen, obviously. And you're gonna want to need this flxg.switchState and put new and whatever state you're trying to switch to with the parentheses right here, because that's what I did to actually make the states switch. So okay, also here's the names of the states so that you can know what to put and switch to. So the story mode one is StoryMenuState, the free play one's FreeplayState, the options one is OptionsMenu, and credits is CreditsMain. So there you go. There you go. You can use that. I'm using a switch and switch case thing here with the current index variable so that we can check if it's either 0, 1, 2, or 3, aka story menu, this is story mode, free play, options, and credits. Checks if it's any of those, and when you press enter on it, it'll switch to whatever state. So, you know. And then this right here plays the sound. You can change it to whatever you want. Maybe okay, you have to if you're gonna have to do your mod folder sounds, then you might want to import what's it wasn't it like, hold on, I gotta remember what it was. It's Funkin' Backend Assets Mods folder. That's it. If you want to do a mods folder sound, then you might want to import this. But I think anything works really, because if these work, then doing it without this must work, right? Again, I still don't know anything, so yeah. But yeah, that's how you make a custom state. Again, you're gonna have to learn a little bit of hacks, but that shouldn't be too hard, right? I mean, if I can do it, and I have like little knowledge of it, you can do it too. Just remember, if you want to tween, then you can use FLX tween. Var is a variable. FLX sprite is an image thingy. I don't know what this number is. It probably means like some kind of layering thing. I don't know. But actually, let me see. Let's see if that is a very like a layering thing. It's not. I just don't do it. Just don't put a number in there. Yeah, we got all this. Yeah, you know, the actual image, and yeah, and yeah, that's how you actually make a custom state. Oh, almost forgot. How to redirect to it. If you open up the ini, there's state redirects right here. You're gonna wanna add the name of the state. For example, MainMenuState. That's the name of the state. And put the name of your new state. For example, new state. And then it should redirect to that. It should redirect to that. Make sure it's just the name. Don't add .hx. Make sure it's just the name. So yeah, that's how you add a custom state and redirect to it, and also how to redirect to other states too. And yeah, hopefully this tutorial helped you out to making a custom state. Remember, it's all your image. You don't have to do what I do. Just do what you want to do. Anyways, bye bye. Yay!